The facelifted Hyundai Creta images have leaked online ahead of its official unveil at the Indonesian Auto Show. These images shows the parametric jewel pattern for the front grille, inspired by the 4th generation Hyundai Tucson SUV. The grille extends to the entire width of the car, which also houses the LED DRL on either side. The neatly incorporated LED DRL appears to be the part of the grille when turned off. Large vertically placed headlights and chunky grey details below the grille and lower bumper adds ruggedness to the SUV. The rear end also has been tweaked with sharper looking tail lights and a redesigned tailgate. Unlike the front and rear, the side profile remains largely unchanged. The same way, the interior layout remains relatively unchanged. The instrument cluster is a 10.25-inch unit like the one seen on the Alcazar. Other features include an 8-inch infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support, panoramic sunroof, 8-speaker Bose sound system, ventilated front seats, cooled glove box, ambient lighting, and an air purifier. The big new addition will be the ADAS feature that adds safety features like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking on the top trim of the SUV. The facelifted Creta is expected to continue with the same set of engines, which includes a 1.5-litre petrol and 1.5-litre diesel making 115 PS power, and a 1.4-litre turbo petrol making 140 PS mated to a 7-speed DCT automatic. Followed by the unveil, the Creta Facelift will go on sale in Indonesia later this year, and for India, we can't expect the SUV until the second half of 2022. See you soon. Thanks for watching.